Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Hair I'm using is Mayde Africana Braid Nation pre-stretched hair, and it's 64 inches. So when it's folded over, it's 32 inches. And I use one pack of black. No, I use about 3 bundles, and then 2 bundles out of my other pack. And then I use the blue and the pink. So first thing you need to do is pre-section your hair so you won't have so much hair to work with. And I put it into 3 sections. The bottom is ear to ear. The middle is across ear to ear. And then you got your front section, which you part down the middle. I like to take my comb. It's a nice width to see how my spacing, my parting is going to be. And you see right here, I'm just putting my comb to my head where the hair is at and placing it to see where I'm going to put my parts at. This is the braiding hair, and all I'm doing is sectioning off a piece. I think that's the right size that I want to use, and I just put that on my braiding rack a whole bunch of times. Did a good job for my first time doing knotless on my own head. I am taking the hair. I put some Shining Jam on the hair, and you see me grab 3 parts. And I'm natural, so my hair is going to be puffy. If I didn't blow it out, I didn't blow it out. So I take the section of my hair and I grab the 3 parts. And what I like to do is take the braiding hair and put it in between my fingers, my middle and my index finger, and braid it in once and go braid it again, and then we'll start and add another piece.
I like the way I'm feeling, can't touch this feeling, I'm in my feelings, Batman me handle my dealings, ain't no bag I can taste, when I'm moving nobody can test me.
Concept of adding in hair is grab the hair, put it in, braid it in 1, 2, add the hair, braid it in 1, 2, basically.
Man, I give them on the go on the pole, man, I ringing up the show on the low, man, I killing up the show, let them know, man, I cooking up the flow. I like the way I'm feeling, can't touch this feeling, I'm in my feelings, Batman me handle my dealings, ain't no bag I can taste, when I'm moving nobody can test me.
Then you get the desired length that you want and just braid all the way down.
Pass me the Hennessy, let me tell you what I see, it is written in the stars what I see, she a tell me say her boyfriend YC, man I feeling so icy, vibesy, man a bad man, you can come to YB.
I'll do the crisscross in another video. I thought I recorded myself, but I didn't. In the crisscross braids, you just split the braided your hair, your real hair, into 3 pieces, just like you did the braid, and you add in the hair. I like the way
I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex.
One pack of black. No, I used about 3 bundles. And then 2 bundles out of my other pack. And then I used the blue and the pink.
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can't test me. Way I put it down. Jagaban, them I call me number 1. Understand, man, I put them on the run. Can't stand, never putting on the show, on the road. Man, I give them on the go, on the pole. Man, I ringing up the show on the low. Man, I killing up the show, let them know. Man, I cooking up the flow. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can't test me. Pass me the Hennessy, let me tell you what I see. It is written in the stars what I see. She a tell me say her boyfriend YC. Man, I feeling so icy, vibesy. Man, a bad man, you can come near YB. And I step in at the yard with no ID. And we a bossy down with no Ivy. See the girl them pull up. See the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up. Till the morning them a turn up. See the girl them pull up. See the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up. Till the morning them a turn up. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can't test me.
Really hope you enjoyed this video. For my first time doing knotless, I think I did a good job. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. And if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. And more content coming soon. Like, share, and subscribe.